Good morning. It's 9:30, almost 9:30. I'm sorry, I wasn't watching TikTok. So it's December 18th. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 18. We're so close to Christmas. Oh my god. And I have to do a couple more stuff before Christmas. So today I'm off and I'm by myself because today's my boyfriend's first day back to work, which is great. It's exciting. He was really excited. He was really happy about it, which it makes me happy. But yeah, today I wanna go to the film studio so I can like have my film develop and see if they can fix my camera so I can have it in time for the holidays. Cause my brother broke it. If you saw my blog of Halloween, my brother broke it, and then he told me he was gonna buy me a new one, and he never did. And I'm thinking that he probably gonna like give it to me for Christmas. But if he doesn't, then I wanted like my film for the trip that we're gonna have. You get me? Okay. Well, too many things. The fact is, like, I want to see if they can get it fixed, and I need to take out the money from my tips so I can like put it on my bank account, and I need to buy the second part of my Secret Santa gift. Yes, the Secret Santa gift, and yeah, I have to edit the vlog that you're watching today. That was yesterday's. Yes. You understand, like these blogs are like kind of complicated, but you kind of understood what I was saying. And so yeah, I'm gonna go down and find something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm gonna start editing. It roughly take me like probably an hour to edit. Once again, like I said, the blogs are really easy to edit. And then after that, we're gonna go out to Miami Beach. They're basically next to Wynwood. I love them. So we're gonna go there. I'll probably just go there first and then edit. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because then if I start to edit, it's gonna be too late, because I'm probably gonna be leaving here like 12, and it's gonna have so much more traffic. So I think we're just gonna go and roll with it. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna change and we're gonna head out the door. We're out. Since it's a little chilly outside, I decided to go with this turtleneck that I got I think it was last year for our trip to Colorado. No, I got it last year to actually do a Kim Possible Halloween costume, and I never did. But here it is, and some sweatpants. And I put some pimple patches because like this two bad boys, this one and this one, have been so hard to take out, and these micro clouds from Starface are so amazing for those pimples that are like under your skin. So I put them in. Obviously they're not gonna make wonders, but they're gonna help me a lot. So next time that I put a pimple patch, like it can just completely go away. And I just realized that I need more of these ones because I think I just have 2 more and that's it. So I'm gonna have to go and buy more micro clouds, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. But we're ready to go. We're gonna go buy some food. I think I'm craving like a bagel from McDonald's because I haven't eaten anything. And we're just going away to Bellows Film Live to see if they can help me with my camera. Hopefully they can. I think after that I'm just gonna come back. I'm gonna do the video, and then after that we'll go out. I guess I'll just wait for my sister to come in, and then I'll go out to Dick's or something like that.
machada. Ay, no siempre les queda mal.
Malta. 100%.
Ok, dame una
Ahora
Malta.
Malta.
Girl, this look good as shit. I'm so excited to eat this. I can't open it with my hand. I'm gonna let you. Okay guys, so I still have like probably 10 more minutes of parking, so I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. It's 11:45. I went into the films lab. I left my film. They're gonna develop for me. They're gonna give it to me like in 3 days, I think. And I asked them about my camera, and they said that unfortunately they don't do repairs, but they gave me the address of a place that does. It's like 20 minutes from here. I think we're just gonna go and like just to see, because I really want my camera to be ready for the holidays. Like I really want to shoot my phone camera in the holidays, because for something I got it. And and nothing. And then next to them there's this amazing place that's called, well, it's two places in one. One of them is called Señor de los Tacos, and then the other one's Mr. Cachapa. I'm Venezuelan, so I was there like, a cachapa sounds really good right now. But I decided, as you saw, I decided to go for the Reina Pepiada because it was amazing. $20 for like a malta and a cachapa. It sounds a little bit too expensive, but damage was done. I paid for the film, and now we're gonna go to this place to see if they can repair my camera, how long does it take, and how much it's gonna be. Because if it's gonna be the same of buying a new camera, I'm just buy a new camera. I think this camera was like $50 or something like that. So if it's more than that, I'll just buy a new camera, to be honest. And then after that, we're just gonna go home. So one of my patches like felt, and before we go home, I need to go to CVS. Yes, thank you for reminding me. I mean, you didn't remind me, but I reminded myself. Well, whatever, let's go, because I'm not gonna waste 10 minutes here, so let's go. As you can see, we're at the place where I took out my money from, CVS. We're gonna go and deposit it on my bank. I have a lot less than I thought I was gonna have, but it's fine. I still have one more day to work. That is Wednesday, so hopefully Wednesday is really good and I can make another $100 that I obviously need. Besides of that, I was thinking about going to TJMaxx and find the rest of my Secret Santa, so let's go and do that. And if I can find it, then I couldn't find my pimple patches, so yeah, I might have to like go look at another day, or maybe in Target, I don't know. But let's go and deposit this on my bank, and let's have a stroll in TJMaxx and see if I can find anything. I'm looking for a sport jersey, like a polo sports, like, so my Secret Santa can use it at work, but we'll see how it goes. And then after that, we're just gonna go home. I'm gonna park outside because my boyfriend, like I said in the beginning of the video, is his first day, so he doesn't have a parking spot, because in the place where we live, we just have 2 parking spots, and we have 5 cars. I'm sorry, we have 5 cars, so I have to like park outside for him, so when he gets home, like, he has like a place to park. And we're gonna edit yesterday's video, put that shit up, and after that I think I might take a nap, but I don't think I'm gonna have time for all of that because my sister's gonna come home around that time. So I'm pretty sure she's gonna ask me to like go out or do something because she always does. But yeah, I'll see you later. Guys, I did not know that TJMaxx has started selling lounge flies. Oh my god, I'm gonna show you right now. Give me 1 second. And look at this Barbie one. Look at this. It's so cute. That stepmother is also really cute. Honestly, I'm gonna show you the ones on the front. I think those ones are the only ones that they have. Look. This one. They have this. And that one. Hi, look at this. Oh my god. Look at this one. That one. This is Snoopy. This is so cute. I want that one. Like I was saying, I did find some stuff, but the majority of stuff that I found was like sweaters and stuff. I don't know if he actually wore sweaters, but I took a picture of it, and then I'm gonna ask my manager. I still have to go to Dick's, so I'm gonna go to Dick's before, and then if I don't find anything on Dick's, then I'll come here and buy the sweaters and stuff. But first I'm gonna show it to my other managers to see if they like it, if they think that he's gonna like it, and then I'll buy it. So I haven't found like anything like worth, but I need like to wear something for Christmas, right? I need something for Christmas and something for New Year's. But I'm gonna show you the few things that I found that I think they're so cute for Christmas. I don't know if I'm gonna buy them. Like I want to show you. Like first this one. That's cute. I want to show you the one that I like the most. Where is it? Oh, this is also cute. It's not this. This, look. That's cute, right? Look at the back. Look at the freaking, you can see it here better. Look. They have it on blue. This one is so fearless, Taylor Swift. This one's also cute, but I don't know, cause this is not. I'm not gonna wear it again. This neither. We made it home. My camera ran out of battery, so I could not finish showing you the dresses that I saw. But they were cute. I'm not gonna buy them right now. I will buy them like later. But we're home. I don't know if I told you when we were out about my camera. So I went to see the guy for my camera. As you can see, like it's bumped. If he wants to focus, okay, you know, like it's bumped, it's open, you know, you can clearly see what is wrong with it, right? This camera cost me like probably 50 bucks with shipping. No, with shipping, I think it was like 80 bucks, you know. Ooh. It was 80 bucks, you know. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna see how much is it to repair. But I went to the guy and they literally told me to my face like, oh, he's gonna charge you $120. I got this bitch for 50. You're gonna tell me that to repair my camera I have to like pay the double of what I paid for this camera? No. So I'm gonna go to eBay and see if I can find another camera, because this is where that's where I bought it, on eBay. And yeah, I want my camera for the holidays, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it. I'll see how much it is, and I'll figure it out. I'll see what I can do. But we're home. I think I'm gonna change my shirt at least, because I'm a little bit hot with this shirt now, because in my house they don't have the AC on. I have my fan on, but not the AC. So I'm gonna change and I'm gonna start to edit yesterday's video. Okay guys, okay, update. It's 5:06. Vlog is up. Go watch it. Even though pretty sure you already watch it, but if you don't, then go watch it. I'm gonna eat asado with mashed potatoes, and my mom told me to like fold some laundry. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie while I do all of that, while I eat, and then if I'm done with the Christmas movie, I'll just watch another one while I fold the clothes. And then after that, I don't know, I think after that I actually want to make cookies. My boyfriend hasn't come home from work, so I don't know if he wants to do something when he comes back. If he doesn't, then we'll bake cookies. I have a horrible headache. That's why I'm gonna eat, because I think it's because the last time that I ate was at 11, obviously. So I'm gonna eat, and hopefully this headache goes away. Hey guys, so I finished folding the laundry and I put it away. It's almost night now. I don't think we're gonna do anything else, so I'm gonna leave this vlog up to here. I'm gonna put myself to edit so I don't have to like edit tomorrow. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlogmas. Bye. Thank you.